Hello, my name is Esmeralda Gonzalez, and today I will be talking about my teaching philosophy statement that I was able to create and construct based on the resources. I believe that a classroom should be a safe, caring community where children are free to speak their mind and blossom and grow. I aim to bring an open mind, a positive attitude, and high expectations to the classroom each day. I believe that I owe it to my students as well as to the community to bring consistency, diligence, and warmth to my job in the hope that I can ultimately inspire and encourage such traits in the children as well. And so I just wanted to go over my my teaching philosophy statement in a deeper way. Um, this is something that I was able to construct based on the learnings, not only from this course, but also from just in general my education that I have been able um, to grow from as a person as I keep getting older. I believe that learning is definitely um, a lifelong process. We all continue to grow and evolve as human beings as we get older, and I believe that putting yourself to be, the love a teacher has is just amazing for their students. It's just not just about teaching and just getting things across. It's like more in a deeper level, really understanding where your students come from and having that teacher student connection and interaction with them, being able to help them not only in the classroom, but also outside of the classroom, being able to understand what they're going through and how everyone faces different challenges in life. And personally, I feel like this classroom has really opened my eyes into seeing that as well, with the use of the universal design for learning and the social justice and education and the culturally sustaining pedagogy. I have been able to learn a lot more of all the different demographics that we have been able to observe throughout this course, with the creation of our 5E lesson plan. It really made me realize that teaching is a work of art, as you guys can see on my image. Um, it's just something that you really have to love and be able to put yourself out there as an inspiration and encourage those to continue to push themselves and be able to achieve their goals, and that anything is possible. And you just have to know how to also um, control your emotions, because like, teachers are human beings as well, and they might go through many hardships in life too. So it is very challenging and important for us teachers to always bring a positive attitude to the classroom. We do not want to affect our students and stuff that maybe we might be going through personally. So I just think teaching is definitely a very difficult job, and it's something you must have to do out of love, and definitely it is a challenge. Nothing is easy, but this is my teaching philosophy statement, and I believe that um, I'm just gonna continue to grow and grow as life goes on, and I hope one day I can be um, an inspiration to my students and to them wanting to personally be a future teacher as well as my past teachers have also influenced and inspired me to one day be able to be a helping hand for those as they were for me. Thank you.